Man, I almost said good morning, but guess what? It's not morning. It's afternoon. Look at that sun, straight up. There it is. So we are about noon o'clock today. I'm back at my parents' house. I'm gonna start getting some of these planter walls in. So I get to play the chainsaw today. I'm gonna see how that chainsaw, I hope my chain's sharp. If not, I got another one in the truck, but I'm gonna put some of these walls in and just see how they start fitting in there, and if they're gonna work as good as I think they want to, then we'll be great. It's gonna be pretty much a fun day of chopping wood. One of my favorite things to do, power tools, baby. All right, so this chainsaw I got, I honestly don't know the last time I started it, but we did bring it to the shop not too long ago, have them kind of clean it up and fix it, so it should start pretty good, I'm hoping. So let's go with that. I'm just gonna start it up, see if it runs, rev it up a few times, bam, bam, bam. Be awesome. Oh yeah, and then we'll chop some wood. Sweet. She works. All right, so I'll kind of walk you through my thought process here, and I'm figuring this out as I go, just so you know. So I put my cartwheel plank back up. No, I'm not doing no more cartwheels, sorry. But I'm gonna just put that up, mark where it needs to go, center it up, chop it up with that, and then we'll slide it down. And if it works awesome, it works awesome, and if not, we'll make it so it does work awesome. So anyways, I'll set you right here and see how it works, because this is new to me as well, so I'm excited. Oh. Maybe it's not going to start again. Who knows? Hates me. Yeah, so this chain's garbage. Finally get it started and the chain's garbage. So let me swap out the chain real quick. We'll go from there. All right, I got the chain swapped out. Let's hope this one's a little better. I got it started. This thing hates me, so it hates starting. Anyways, look at it, you know, bounced right off of there. So I guess I better grab her. definitely a bigger pain in the butt than I was hoping it'd be, but it works. I just got to chisel that out. I'll bet I get a chisel or something on it and do it. If not, I'll figure something else out with the saw. Fun. We're starting something. All right, between the Sawzall and the chainsaw, we're gonna get this thing chopped up real nice. So my next step, actually, I do have a brand new chain I just bought for the chainsaw. Oops. Because that one worked better than the first try, but I still feel like it could be easier. So anyways, I don't know how to put these blades in. Obviously they don't want to lock in. Works. So we're gonna see how this goes. Yeah. I think we're close. Oh. All right, well, in case you couldn't tell, I'm not a professional lumberjack, but I have fun. So that's all I care about. We're close. I almost got it notched out all the way. I got a few little chunks in there to try to get out still, but I think we're doing great. So I'm gonna keep going. I love it. All right, so we are very close. And sorry, it's not very exciting watching me chop all this, because I got to do this to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, basically about 17 or 18 times. So I'm going to, I'm not talking to you, watch. 102. That's the degrees and it's hot. So my camera's overheating, I'm overheating. I'm gonna set you in the shade for a little bit and get something done. I'll come back and see you guys in a few minutes. Hopefully I have something else done by then. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna update you real quick. I am getting my butt kicked. All right, so my chain's not the best. I mean, it's better than the old ones, but you can see I pretty much got that chopped down like that. And then it's kicking my butt. This one I think we're pretty good on. Got it opened up pretty good. It's 102, it's almost 2 o'clock. I am beat. So I'm gonna do what else I can today. I'm actually gonna try and beat it with a chisel and a hammer, just see if I can chip some of this crap out better with that. hiya, 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 like that. And we'll see what happens, but I'm gonna put you away for now, and then we'll see you guys probably next time when I actually get something accomplished, because today was kind of blah, blah, blah. I made a lot of attempts, and those attempts were not the best. Well, I blame the chainsaw and the Sawzall. That's what I blame them. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Thank you for hanging out with me again. Hopefully next time we'll have a reason to be here and have a lot more fun putting stuff together.